channel. So today I want to do a get ready with me. So I feel like I haven't done one of these in a really long time. You guys know I am not a talker like that, but I feel like I need to check in with you guys and ask you guys how you're doing with everything going on. How's your 2020 going? And what do you guys have planned for the rest of 2020? I know that the first 6 months or so have been quite a ride, especially for me. So yeah, I just want to know if you guys are doing okay. What are you doing with your time? Are you guys still working? Let me know how you guys are doing. I feel like you guys always check on me, especially when I go like MIA for like a week or more. You guys are always checking on me, so I want to check in with you guys and see how you guys are doing right now, because I feel like things are finally starting to go upward. I've been dealing with so much stuff. Ooh, that stuck. Since I want to say since February. Like, it's just been so much going on. It's like every time something ended, it was like back to back to back, something else, and it's been so overwhelming for me. So I know that some of you guys are feeling like this too. And this is not just with like all the police brutality and things like that are going on right now. This is just like life in general. It's just so much going on. And then when you have those outside forces coming in too, it can be a lot. So I'm going to be putting on this unit right here that I got from Wowafrican. It is this beautiful blonde color. I was going to T18 it, but I even have it right here. Like, I was going to put T18 on it, but I kind of like this blonde. I want to see what it looks like against my skin tone, and if it looks a little bit too funky, then I'll go ahead and put some T18 on it and kind of ash it out. But yeah, I'm going to be putting this baby on, and she is HD film lace. So this lace should be really seamless and pretty much invisible, which I'm excited for. So this unit did come pre-bleached and it did come pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. Y'all, look at that lace. You can't even see it. It's right here. That looks so bomb, right? Let's see what this looks like on, in case I need to customize it in any way. Oh, and then this is what the inside looks like. It has the adjustable, removable strap. Removable adjustable strap. Oh yeah, that's gonna be, I hate blonde hair. I love blonde hair, but I hate putting it on because the flyaways on blonde hair is freaking crazy, you guys. But that's gonna look really good. So y'all know I don't like to remove the lace with it on my head. I don't know why I didn't put no edge control on this to slick the hairs back. Okay, I had to switch roles. The other one I had on was making me entirely too freaking hot, and I didn't want to cut the air on because then it would be blowing in the background. But the lace is off now, and I did go ahead and add my silicone tape to it to camouflage the grizz on the lace. I will leave that video for anyone who doesn't know what the heck I'm talking about. This thing right here is amazing. I will leave it a link down below, and then the original video, so you guys understand why I love doing this. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. What am I gonna use today? I have another hairspray to you guys. I bought this one, this hair care. It's supposed to be Mega Freeze hairspray. It's supposed to be really, really good, but I haven't tried it yet. I don't want to try it today and then it's trash and then I'm mad. So I'm gonna go with something I know. I'm gonna go with the Insta High Hold. I've been using this one a lot lately because it doesn't do that like white flakiness when you add heat. You know, like if you hold and spray and use like a curling iron or a pressing comb or anything like that, it like leave like a white crust. This one does not do that, but this one is not as strong as this one, but it's still bomb. And I'm not gonna have this wig on for that long. Like, I'm not trying to get days and days out of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. Where is my flat irons? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this wax stick and get these flyaways out of my face. So you guys, my birthday is coming up. It's on July 5th, and I have no clue what I'm about to do. I asked a lot of you guys that follow me on Instagram what I should do, and you guys gave me some really good suggestions. One of them that I really, really like is to have like a picnic at the park with my friends, and then like we dress up in cute little summer dresses, and then have like wine and spritzers, and then have food and play games. So I'm thinking about doing something like that. Like, I don't know, I'm always super last minute with my birthdays. Like, my friends be on my head like, okay, what are you doing? Because they will literally start planning their birthdays the day after their birthday, and I'm always like 2 days before, like, okay y'all, this is what we about to do. So they keep asking me too what I'm doing, and I have no freaking clue, y'all. My birthday is in what, like 9 days, I think 9, no, more than 9 days, maybe 10 days. I don't even know, y'all. Like, so drop some suggestions down below for me, because I'm still in LA, so everything is not fully open. Some of the restaurants are like open, but like, I don't know. I still haven't eaten out yet. I've only ordered takeout. Sometimes I be wishing I had somebody to like hold my sides down so that I can spray everything else. But if y'all ever see me like take my little sideburn pieces like this, that's what I'm doing. I be using the sideburns to grip everything. And I'm still rocking press-ons, y'all. So for my birthday, I plan on, I want to get my eyelashes done, and I want to get my nails done because I'm tired. I'm tired of press-ons. They pop off so freaking easy. Although I did figure out a way to get my press-ons to last for a really long time. I think I'm gonna do a video to show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna take this freeze spray, Insta Hold spray, my bad.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Whoa. I just dropped it on my toe. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out some baby hairs. Oh, I can't believe I just dropped that on my freaking toe. Oh gosh, that hurts so bad. My toe is throbbing. So I just want to tie it down for a second. And I'm not going to straighten it because I think I want to do crimps, but I want to run my flat irons through it just to get some of the fuzz out.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe.
So I'm going to use this olive oil mousse. I look crazy. Oh, to set this part.
You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the...
Dang, it actually look kind of cute straight. Y'all look crazy with this thing is pushing down on my eyelash, but it actually looks kind of cute straight. Now I don't know if I want to crimp it. Ah, dang.
Was doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things.
I hear that sizzle. Yo, I just realized that I don't even have a birthday outfit. I don't have birthday hair. I don't have birthday anything. So now when I finish this, I need to look for a birthday outfit that's going to come within a week. Ugh. Bryana, why do you do this to yourself?
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I think I'm still gonna crimp. So I'm gonna use this ion crimper that I got from Sally's.
are, you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things.
It looked like ramen noodles.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay, now for baby hairs, I'm going to use the same olive oil mousse. My camera overheated, but while I was letting it cool down, I went ahead and put my outfit on, put my earrings in, and now I'm just going to take a little bit of my foundation powder and lightly tap it in and go along the edges of my hairline. Like always, even though this one doesn't even really need it at all because it is HD lace, like it blends freaking bomb. But this is how the unit looks, you guys. This is the hairline situation. I really do like this stuff. This is really sticky, so it's perfect for baby hairs. So I try to twist out with this. Don't do it. It's trash for a twist out. But for baby hairs, this is really good for baby hairs on the wig. So I'm going to tuck the front behind my ear. And pull it around, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, dust it over, especially on the ends, and that is it, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit in a second, but this is the hair. It looks really freaking good. I was scared for a second because I've never crimped blonde hair before. It looked like noodles. Like I was like, I should have left this straight, but it came out really, really cute. I actually really like it, and I think it would look really good if the hair was longer, but this is like the perfect length for me right now because it's super hot outside. But that is it for the hair, you guys. Let me go ahead and show you the outfit. Okay, love, so I am all done and I am fully dressed, and this is my final look. So I got this really cute dress from Missguided, and then I just paired it with this really cute gold clutch that I got from Boohoo a while back. And then I put it on with this Fenty bralette that I got. I believe this color is called Honey Gold. It's almost like a nude for me, but I thought that it would look really cute with all of this. And then the shoes. So the shoes I got from EGO Official. I got them a while back, so I'm not sure if they're still on their website or not. But I thought the tie-up would be really cute with like this flowy dress because it's not fitted at all. And I can't believe, sorry y'all, the sun keeps going up and down. What is happening? There we go. But yeah, so I got a little stain right here and right here. I think it's oil too. I think when I sprayed the oil sheen on my hands and rubbed it through my hair, I think it splashed down on my dress. This is the tag. So I'm gonna have to put some soil up on this before I go out and try to get this out because oil be staining. So this is the final look, you guys. This is a close-up of the dress. So it has one more button to button. I just didn't button it. And then I have pasties on under this because it is see-through. The shoes right here. I finally did my feet, y'all. And then here is a close-up of the cute little clutch that I got from Boohoo. So this came with a string, but I don't know where it is. I took it off because I just wanted to hold it. And I don't know what I did with it. So it is a permanent clutch from now on, but this is the outfit. At first I was going to put like something around the waist to kind of cinch it just a little bit and like leave the rest flowy. But I didn't have, I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. I didn't have a belt that would match this. All my belts were too dark and it kind of threw everything off. If I had that gold chain, I could have put it around my waist and used it to cinch it. But yeah, I thought it just was super cute just to leave it alone because I didn't want to throw it off with the other colors. But this is what it looks like and how it fits. And I feel like I haven't been this cute in a really long time, especially with heels on. Like, I forgot who this was. Like, this thing's hit me in the back of my head, but I really forgot, like, who is this? I've been looking crazy, but I finally feel put together and I'm ready to go outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for anything that you may need, from the hair to the outfit to the press-ons, if I can find them for y'all. I'll have everything linked down below. And if you guys have any other suggestions or any videos that you want to see, don't be scared to comment it down below and I will try to get to all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next